Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator on new phone. In order to do this, you first have to long press on your Microsoft Authenticator application. Then you need to tap on App Info. Now once you are in the App Info of Microsoft Authenticator app, you first have to tap on Force Stop, and after that you need to press OK. Once done, your Microsoft Authenticator application will be reset and it should work smoothly. Now if this doesn't resolve your issue, then you need to tap on this clear data option right next to it, and then you need to tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now after clearing the cache, you will have to launch your Microsoft Authenticator application, and then you just have to see whether it fixes your problem or not. If the problem still persists, then you will have to come to the settings page again, and this time you will have to click on clear data again, and now you will have to click on clear all data and then press OK. Once you do this, you will be logged out of your Microsoft Authenticator application, where if you launch your Microsoft app, then you will have to re-log in into your account by providing your email address and your password. If the problem still persists after following these three methods, then what you can do is you can simply tap on the notifications tab in the app info, and here you will have to make sure that the show notifications toggle button should be turned on. If it is turned off, then you just have to tap on it in order to turn it on. With the help of these few methods, you will definitely fix this issue. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.